Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. Here's how to create a gallery and let MatchID identify your game photos. Navigate to your folder. Click New Gallery. Name it after the event, set your date and visibility. Switch to the Roster Matching tab. Select the team roster to match against. We're checking volleyball, VB 2025-26. This tells MatchID which headshots to compare when processing your game photos. Click Create Gallery. It appears in your folder, ready for uploads. Drag your game photos onto the upload zone. The upload modal tracks each file individually. Photos are queued for face matching as they finish uploading. MatchID compares each face against the volleyball roster. Matched photos get a green tag with the player's name and jersey number. 10 of 11 matched headshots we indexed earlier. This photo shows a player from behind. No face detected, so no match is attempted. That's normal with action photography. Need to add photos later? Drag them in. New uploads match against the same roster scope. This one matched Lena Yamamoto automatically. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.